Take a look at this Momo steering wheel. The customer is actually going to put this into a 1999 Jeep Cherokee, so it's going to be kind of a cool look for that Jeep. Obviously needs to be redone. We're not sure what's going on underneath this cording that has been put on here, but the person did it with kind of a cool weave to that, so that's kind of an interesting look. So we're going to take that off there, remove this old leather, clean this wheel up really nicely, and then reupholster it in new leather. And he's going with a saddle color leather instead of the original black brown leather to match his interior of his Jeep. So we'll take a look at this after it is restored and see how it comes out. Look at that. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind Momo steering wheel. So we've got the Momo logo there, and obviously from the before pictures it was pretty worn, but this customer wanted the saddle kind of King Ranch look on this, so really gonna make it a one-of-a-kind Momo. And we did a tricolor basting stitch on there. I don't know if you can see that, but that ties the exterior of this 1999 Jeep Cherokee that it's going on. It ties it into the interior, so kind of a cool idea, and we'll show you a picture of that exterior so you can just see what this is going to go on. But craftcustoms.com, we've got you covered on any steering wheel, any make, year, or model. Just reach out to us at craftcustoms.com.